The California Instrument 2001 RP is a variable power source we received from an aviation service company. As an affordable and reliable source of 400 Hz AC power, the California Instruments 2001 RP AC power sources are well suited for commercial and defense avionics applications. The small form factor and low weight of these units makes them convenient to use in a variety of locations. For product quality test applications, the 2001 RP AC power sources can be used to simulate line conditions found anywhere in the world. We fully rebuilt this power source as shown in the video, and we were able to load the power supply and verify its multi-frequency operation over a wide scale of test points. ERD repairs a wide variety of test equipment, from sources such as this unit to many different measuring devices used in power. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.